So much to learn about. It's 3 minute shout. Blippi!
Whoa! Look at what it is! This is a tank. And I have an idea. Today, let's learn about and density. Ooh, city. Okay. First, what we're gonna do is fill up this tank full of water. And then, once this tank is full of water, then you and I are gonna go outside and find some jack. Whoa! Whoa! Here we go! Now that we're outside, let's go find some things to see if they either sink or float! Oh, come here! Red balls! Look! It's a tank! So we can put in it, of course. And we're gonna see if they're gonna sink or sink. Okay, let's try a little bit harder one. Ooh, look, colorful balls. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, look, it's a dump truck. Whoa, and it has something in the back. Whoa, look at it. Let's pour this in the back. Whoa!
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.
If your youngster enjoys My Youngster, go to blippi.com where you can purchase My Youngster so then you can watch with My Youngster needed. Blippi on the go, anywhere and everywhere.